Hi everybody, Florida Trailblazer checking in with you here in the wilderness by this beautiful creek. I want to make this video here and report on some sad news about someone I just met recently. They had passed away. Tim Fasano. He was a well-known Florida Bigfoot investigator, always out here in the wilderness making YouTube videos. It was a strong passion for him. He was always out here making videos. I didn't know him, but recently I did run into him while I was out here exploring. Him and a few of his friends, they were out here making videos, and I ran into him and he recognized me. He's like, "Hey, that's Florida Trailblazer over there." And it was just incredible to run into him. And we got to talking, and it was just a thrill to meet him finally after all these years, because I knew about his videos. He had been following my stuff, and he just seemed truly excited to meet me, and likewise I was excited to meet him and his friends with them. And it's always great to network with other explorers out here in the wilderness. We all share similar passions being out here in nature, despite your opinions and beliefs on the subject of Bigfoot and paranormal and stuff like that, which is what he was into. He still had a passion for just being out here in the woods and experiencing the nature. And I love that too. And being here by this creek, you know, you can't help but think about this is an area he would like to be at. It's just so sad he's gone, you know. And I'm sad for his family and his friends that were really close to him for years, and I also pursued similar passions. And everyone is devastated. I know it's going to be hard right now to get through this. But you have to be strong. That's what he would want. He'd want you to keep exploring and keep following your passions, no matter what it is. That's what he did. I remember talking to him, and he was telling me, he's like, there was a lot of times where I felt like just giving up. And things weren't going well. People weren't watching my videos, this and that. And I told him, don't ever feel like that. I said, you got to be strong and just follow your passions. You follow what's in here. If you like making videos and coming out here in the woods and sharing about your experiences, that's all that matters. Don't let the other things get you down. And that's what I was trying to inspire him and help him. And I feel like he saw that. That's one thing I try to do through my videos, is help inspire people. But anyways, it was a thrill to meet him. And I knew no matter what, he was going to carry on exploring, because that's just how he is. I didn't know him that well, but just that day meeting him, I could tell a lot about him. He seemed genuine, and he seemed to mean well. And I wanted to make this video and just share my condolences to his friends and family, and that show my appreciation for all the work that he has done. And he has paved the way for so many people now that can follow in his footsteps. And he's left a legacy behind. And I think that's one thing that's you could take from this, and a positive thing, and move forward. It's going to be hard to navigate through some of the hard times and these feelings. Do you hear that? That's an owl. So I just want to say thank you. And again, I'm very sorry. And Tim, may you rest in peace, friend.